cryptocurrency.
Who is a big, huge gambler. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Welcome to XM Pipcast, the show where markets meet minds. I'm Zul Razak and today we continue our journey into the world of trading, not with charts or numbers, but with stories, strategies and raw real conversations. I'm joined by our very own Ibrahim Osman, educator, market analyst, father, husband, and we don't talk about football, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Okay, Ibrahim? Okay, deal? No football.
Yes.
And we'll be chatting about why most traders fail, emotions and overtrading, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Okay, Ibrahim. We've been there, Ibrahim. All of us been there.
Sure.
The late night looking at charts, cold, panas, losing our money in the market. How does one get out of the cycle? How do you start making money? How, you know what fails us? It's not the market.
No, I can feel you.
All of us been there.
Because I remember my past that one time I think there's a start of my trading journey, which I think around 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. I still open one eyes to looking the chart that time.
Ilmu.
Yeah. So it's like I just move my the chart using my eyes. But actually, no. Now I'm realized that it's not happen. Market is moving as what I'm saying before this. Is more to liquidity terms, but terms how we make profit is when we have system. That is I think the all trader in the world must have. Then we can understand about the market. We can understand what about trading.
Of course, there's no 100% system.
Yes, no understand. Yes,
and part of the system is knowing when you are wrong. That's I think that is a huge part of the system. Not just being right.
Yes,
And knowing where is you when you are wrong.
yes.
Okay, but that's hard to accept, Ibrahim.
See, that's important of trading a plan. So we have a plan. We trading a plan. So for me, that's the key. So
and part of the plan is, of course, you know when you are wrong, right?
yes, when we start, that's the main reason why some traders, until today, even long years, they can't be consistent. Because why? When we start loss, that's the point they understand that the market is cheap or something like that. But
Always Trump's fault.
yes,
Always whatever. Not you.
yeah.
Right?
So poorly, Mr. Trump. But I understand. Sometime before this is tweet, right? So he can back. See, last
Social
time also
truth,
about cryptocurrency, how the market's fall.
Yeah.
But I don't think so about his tweet. It's just now we are sharing a lot, right, regarding the market cycle. So that's the important. That's why I'm saying knowledge is very important. Emotionally, yes, you will get whether you have knowledge, you have a planning, you have a system, same. But for me, that's the important. We cannot say others' fault or anything. We as a trader, we must have a plan. That's why I'm saying before this, and we must accept the risk of the market.
What is more important? Having a trading system, knowing the market, or knowing yourself?
First, we must know about the market, because market is not changed. It's still going according what we want. We must change our behavior. Let's say before this, we have a FOMO. We call a fear of missing out. So we must change ourselves. Not about market. We cannot change the market. We cannot put our hand inside the chart and we just move the candle. Cannot. So the only can change is our behavior. So let's say we have before this we have FOMO. Maybe we can cool down first. Then we see the market how it's going. Or let's say we have panic, emotional. Maybe we can do sit and do planning first. Then we trade. Maybe it's suitable for the pending orders. See, market also have a lot of flexibility. You can using pending order, you can using market execution. It's up to you. I'm looking like that.
So, knowing the market is more important than knowing yourself?
For me, knowing the market.
Knowing the market.
Yeah, knowing about yourself, your behavior sometimes can change anytime. But market not change.
But that's the problem. Say you have the best system once again.
Okay.
Okay, you have the perfect system to read the market, and of course, but you yourself, you don't have. I mean, as you mentioned, our behavior can change, and trading is a skill. The market changes to change you. So, knowing the market and knowing yourself, once again, according to you, knowing the market is more important than that one. But having a system, executing the system as per plan is very hard for every trader,
Yes.
especially when you are wrong, when the market go against you.
See, the market, we cannot say goes wrong because
The market never wrong.
yes, never wrong.
Yeah.
And about when we talking about the human behavior, this one is something subjective. We cannot say, okay, today I got FOMO, my error, so after this I cannot FOMO. So that's the point I want to say. So maybe we can change slowly about that one. But the system, when we try to follow the system, okay, maybe yes, of course, the system is not perfect as what you said just now, but we can improvise the system. But the system is according to the market behavior, but human is more to emotional. So that's why. For example, I give you one thing. Let's say the market is more volatile now. Let's say it's after London Open or US Open. The market, we know that that time is volatile and it will go aggressively. But because you have a FOMO, you can't wait and you want to catch up the trading, sometimes it can be lead for losses. That's why I'm saying your attitude or your we call behavior, human behavior must change or improvise. So that's the key what I want to say. Rather than we change the market, we can't change, right? So that's the point.
Okay, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
So humans are emotional being, yet market move however it wants, Ibrahim. How do you control yourself? You can't control the market.
Yes.
You can use a system to read the market.
Yes.
But once again, it's hard for you. The failure of traders normally not the market.
Yes.
It's failure for you to follow actually your trading system.
Yes.
Your trading system, you must say you must exit now, you are wrong, or you must exit now because the market is already at its peak or its bottom. It moved already, but actually following that is very important. It's very
Yes.
susah lah.
Yes.
Very susah.
See, from my experience, what I can say that look, the trading is like your business. In other words, I can say don't look like gambling. That maybe can change your mindset, and then it can be discipline, because in business you have a plan. You cannot enter the business.
Who say gamblers don't have plan, Ibrahim?
No, I think of course.
Friends who is a huge gambler. He got money management, everything. But to me, if you want to compare between gambling and trading, is actually when you are hooked up to it, meaning you are addicted to it. Then that's gambling.
Yes.
Yeah.
So of course that's the first one. So from my experience, when I start looking for, it's like a business. So that's mean I will never catch the market. See, I will not rushing. What I can say, okay, let's say I want to, just now we are sharing about the SMC, right? So we talking, okay, I will wait for a certain time frame in certain zone. So that is my discipline, or it's like a business type. Let's say I'm like do gambling. So I just see, price like one go up. So I just entry. Or I just I look like you feel like look like this price want to go. That's for me it's a gambling. So that's mean you just follow your emotional at that time. In business, we know that we cannot follow the emotional. We must have a plan, and we must have a proper money management. Of course, you are my teacher for money management, right? So that's the main point, I think.
Okay, Ibrahim. Overtrading. How do you define it?
Okay, overtrading is
how many. Okay, coming back to your the smart money concept, Ibrahim.
okay.
For an intraday trader, how many positions open simultaneously? How many instruments would a typical intraday trader hold at one time?
Okay, see, before that, overtrading. Overtrading. The meaning is overtrading for me is you trade without any intention. This means you just as why I say earlier. Let's say you FOMO, or you just see the market like want to go up or down, and you just put your orders. So that's for me. So overtrading, and maybe you're not looking for your capital. When you not start looking for your margin or capital or leverage, that's the start point of that you are overtrading for me. And let's say for the next question is like
How many open positions simultaneously?
see for intraday trader, of course, it's depending of your capital. But for me, especially for the newbie trader, what I can say is that you start with the one entry first, one time frame, enough. You try see your system can give a highest accuracy or not. Then let's say your system can give more than, let's say it's still subjective, but I give some objective answer. Let's say it's 60 to 70%. Let's say, okay, can give you winning rate. Then you can entry one or two lot. Still depending on your capital and your margin.
That is lot. What I'm talking about is how many positions.
Position for me is 1 to 2. For
1
me,
to 2 for intraday.
intraday.
I give you an example for us instructors. Okay, we have one off day per week. Okay, and normally I do market analysis every day. So this is my plan, and I might identify 3 to 4 or 5 trading opportunities. But during my off days, I might identify 15.
Okay.
Say I do intraday trading, and all those 15 price goes according to whatever I analyze. Should I trade all 15 or should I just keep to my numbers? What is your number?
Okay. For this question, I have two answers. First, it's still depending on your capital, because as why I'm saying, let's say your capital is huge, there's not issue. You want to trade 20 trades also, 30 trades also, not a big issue. But let's say your capital is just smaller. I think it's not logical that we entry more than 10 or 15. And that's the first answer. The second answer is, for me, 1 or 2 trade always the best. Because why? We can focus. Let's say market is not goes for our favor. Let's say we get loss. So we want to study first. Why loss? Let's say you entry 15 entries. Which one you want to focus? Let's say the 7 is lost, 8 is you winning. Or say we are glad you are winning 8, but 7 is lost. So you still have to learn why. So for me, the best is 1 to 2 entry. Always the best.
So your number is maximum is 2.
120 enough. But still, I'm saying,
Say you enter something and you've been trading very well.
okay.
You enter, the market goes. You enter another one, market goes. What is your limit? One day.
Still want to do. See why?
When you are making money, you stop making money.
If no, because why? That is causes of the overtrading. Because you are over hyper.
I'm talking about you put a plan.
Yes.
Okay. You enter, say, for example, there's an opportunity, a trading plan for gold. And the position executed.
Yes.
You see it goes to somewhere you are waiting for.
Yes.
Then it hit it, and then it goes to your profit.
Okay.
You close that position.
Okay.
Another, that one, say you see Dow Jones.
Okay.
It triggers and goes and close. All will happen 15 minutes. It happens. It happens.
Yes.
Will you stop trading? And you look at the chart, and everything goes according to your system. Will you enter it?
See, that's why the importance of the target. What is your target per day?
Your daily target?
Yes, of course. We must have a daily target. If we don't have that target, that's the causes. See, sometimes we can reach the target.
Is that overtrading to you?
For me, if excess the daily target is overtrading. That's why I'm saying we are trading 1 to 2 trading.
Mhm.
That is the better because you know how much load you can put. Right?
I say we talk about trading is something like a business.
Yes.
Okay. Do you see shops selling clothes close early during festive season? That is when something like when your system is reading the market very nice.
See, is it a clothes shop we have a stop loss? No, right?
They have the operation that one.
Yeah, but I don't think so in the market. We cannot give that example for the market because market is, market is moving which side we also don't know. It's more to, right, for the speculation.
Is it
right?
the market or is it you? I mean, the maximum capability of a trader. For you are saying that 1 to 2 trades is the maximum capability of traders to monitor the market according
Yes.
to your system, to the system.
Yes. See, anything we can say now. I can say I can enter 15 entry. I can agree for that. But in reality, we must know one thing. When we start to put a lot of entry, let's say per day, because just now your question for the intraday, let's say what you can learn. For me, I say you cannot learn a lot. When you entry 1 or 2, the first thing you can learn about why. Just now I say, let's say you get profit. All the trade you get the profit. All the market you can see the chances. Of course, that's the good. But let's say markets goes wrong. How about that one? Because when we start enter the market, the first thing we must know how we manage the risk rather than we manage the reward. That's my point. Because when we start minimize the risk, then the chances we get the more reward is higher.
And to you,
Yeah.
say what you actually look at when you are looking at a failed trades. What will you improve? Is it the entries? Is it the exits? Is it the direction?
First thing, of course, money management. Let's say your money management is good, then I will see the system. See, sometimes our system is good. Maybe we need some changes in perimeter or something like that. But it doesn't mean we have to jump to other concept. Maybe we can just put some changes, or maybe maybe we can add some confluence. So I give you a simple. Let's say you are SNR trader. I mean support and resistance trader. Maybe you can say, okay, I insert another confluence like just now smart money concept, or I put some RSI, or maybe I can use the ADS-DMI because it show the strength of the trend. So it's more better. That means you add confluence rather than you change the system and system. See, when you start to change a lot of system, then for me you are start to fail in the market.
So one of the thing apart from putting in confluences, Ibrahim, is actually the money management side, the risk management side.
Yes.
Yeah, and one of the biggest trading mistake is when somebody talk about recovery.
Yes.
I lost this morning. I need to recover that amount. Every trade is a new plan, Ibrahim, not based on previous trade plan. How do you tackle a losing trade? And even losing streak. Say today you lost, tomorrow you lost. How do you tackle that? It happens to us.
See, that's why first our intention is a business. Second, that's the learning process for me. Because when you start the learning process, you will start to understand the market. See, that is the biggest problem of the I think a lot of traders outside there. They don't want look is like a learning process. Look like I want beat the market. So I want fight
to be
the market.
To be right all the time.
See, you can't win. Market is huge and it's run by institutional. You know, right? It's a big players. How you can beat? So rather than you beat them, you just follow them.
There are two types of fears in trading. One is fear of success and of course fear of failures. Buat duit salah, tengah profit pun salah kan, sebab kalau tengah profit market reverse kita takut hilang. Kalau tengah rugi kita takut rugi. So how do you overcome that? Both two fears, especially um, fear of success.
Yeah.
When you are making money, how do you manage that? How you?
See, that's why
control
in my teaching first, I can every time first topic I will touch is money management, because it's not about what technique you use, what concept you use, what indicator you use. That's not a big issue. But if you know how to manage your money, I mean money management, that's mean you are start doing like a business, and you will understand the market, because only two types. First, you are too much greedy. That's the big problem. Like what you say, fear of you want to take the
That's it.
profit, right? And another one is hope. When
Mm.
price is going against from your direction, you start hope. You start fear. Is it I can get more losses? Oh no. The price will come back. Price will come back. So that is the starting of the point.
Mm.
See, the point here is how you manage the exit. That's why I'm saying from earlier, exit is very important rather than your reward. Reward is not a big issue for me. You can set break even or something like that.
Mm.
But SL, stop loss, for me is the key. You know how to handle the stop loss, mean you are tend to the success trader for me.
Mm. Basically, accepting losses.
Yes, accepting losses.
There are nothing perfect,
Yes.
and you know that sometimes you make money and sometimes you lose money.
Yes.
The most important is when you are losing money, you limit it, and when you are making money, you try to make
Yeah,
it.
the important is learning.
Yeah.
That's the very important for
When
me.
coming back
Yes,
to that
yes.
learning. All right, Ibrahim. We move on to next segment of XM Pipcast, the rapid fire question, Ibrahim.
Okay.
Right, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
What's the biggest mistake you made in trading, and what did you learn from it?
Oh, of course, I'm overtrading.
Mm.
That's why I'm choosing this
Yeah,
topic. Because the first thing, when I have a huge capital, the problem is I'm doing overtrading first. Because I think, I have still have a capital. So I just entry. Because I believe that market will come back. That's just now I say, it's a hope. But it's still going. When I'm start losing more, then I understand that is the biggest problem for me. That is a overtrading. This is the biggest mistake I made in my life. In that
We've been
trading.
there.
Yes.
All of us been there, Ibrahim. Do you have a trading superstition or ritual
Uh,
you swear by? I share with you something I shared in the previous episodes.
yeah.
I got a friend who won't even enter anything in the market. He need to wait. He doesn't brush his teeth until he enter.
It is superstition.
Yeah, he doesn't take shower, doesn't do anything. He will enter the market first, then only.
Oh my God.
I don't know. Maybe the masam make it more profitable. Don't know. What about you? What do you do?
No, I'm bet first.
Mm.
I bet first. Then the first thing is emotional is the problem. What I can say that. So what I'm doing, I'm not doing any ritual or superstition. The first thing is
Doa kan?
yes,
untung lah.
doa. Everything is doa, right?
Ah.
But for me, is when you sit, you see the chart first thing. Don't think anything. See, the emotional will come and goes. But the chart, when you start looking, that's the first intention. That's why I'm saying the first intention look like a business. This one is what I'm keep until today. So I'm not doing
Nothing special. No.
no.
Subhanallah. Don't have.
I'm not a good guy more. But I can say that when I start looking, I was looking like business. That is the concept. So no special superstition or not.
Once a week, this nasi kandar.
That one, yes. That's why I would say nasi kandar.
Maybe profitable.
Yeah.
profitable.
First thing, it's not about superstition. It's about how we manage
The routine.
Yes,
Yes.
a routine. So let's say I'm so emotional. So I will no. So I maybe I play with my kids. Maybe I watch my favorite movies or my favorite team playing, like something like
Liverpool.
that. Yeah, no, it's a blues again.
So there's nothing that you do special just for trading.
No.
ritual,
See, that
nothing
one
like
you can't change the market.
Yeah,
For
of
me,
course.
you
To,
can't.
to me, it's more for you.
Yes,
Yeah, for you. I mean,
more to
there are rituals not for the market, not to bomo the market. It's for basically to bomo you.
yeah.
To jaga your emotion.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, that's why the first thing, intention. Every time, each time you see the market, your intention, trade the business is like it's a
Trade
business.
is like
That's all.
business.
That's all. That's the point.
Even business got things, you know.
Yes.
They put bomo, they put
See,
what?
that's why you cannot stop a lot of people on that.
So basically, like myself, I'll make sure. The trading is boring for me.
Yeah.
For me, Ibrahim.
Yeah.
I do same things every day, except for my off days.
Yes.
But my routine has been the same basically since 2017 until now.
Okay.
It's the same. And I think since you joined the team, you are starting to see the pattern, right? Your daily, that one, right?
Understand.
And it's good to have not a superstition, something that because you want to get your
Energize.
start put the switch on
Yes.
to sit and look at charts,
Sure.
right?
Understand that.
So it's good to have something, not superstition, but a ritual, not ritual.
Something motivation or something, and
something to
give us a energized back, right? Understand that one. Okay.
Something that I'm down to that one to get into that mindset.
Maybe we can see Y face. Is it okay?
Yeah. Agree. Love your
Is
wife.
it superstition? No,
I
right?
don't know. No. It's good. Maybe it works for you.
Okay, only. Okay.
It works for you.
Hope your wife knows it.
No. Actually, I look at her face and get profit more.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Hopefully. So no, that one. How about trading at the same place? Meaning you put aside reserving a space at your home when you are trading. When you sit there, only you trade. You are not trading in the shower, in the kitchen, everywhere. Maybe a special office, a special space where that is where you go there, sit there, you are in the zone.
Okay.
Maybe that.
Yeah, maybe because for me, environment is very important. Sometimes you cannot trade when so much noise, right? So we have to focus. So I think
you are waiting for NFP, then play Mr. Bean playing on the one, right?
Yeah.
Dah lah, you enter atas sana kan?
No.
Buy atas sana.
I think Mr. Bean also no problem.
No
I'm so
problem.
much worried about my favorite team game, so that's the problem.
So,
right?
kena goal lagi
Yes,
habis.
we can't focus that one. right?
Yeah.
So for me, yes, of course, I'm agree about that. Environment is very important, and my place always my room. My special room, because that is the place I can relax, I can study, and that place also when we want to take our time, relax for relaxing. So for me, I'm agree for that. So maybe place is important also.
Yeah, don't trade everywhere.
No. Yeah. Even you
remember your first trade?
I restaurant just now.
Yeah.
But I also forget the restaurant. But no, each time or each place for me is like experience. That's all. But for now, I think the special place for me is my room.
Special, your small office.
Yeah, small office there.
Okay, Ibrahim. So recapping back to what we touched so far, basically overtrading.
Yes.
That's one of the biggest enemy. And from, I think not just you, I think every traders out there, even myself, we've been through that. We've been through that.
Yeah.
Enter to hold kita dah buy dia
Full
jatuh,
margin.
nampak. Tu semua dah jadi dah. Semua dah buat kan.
Yeah.
And how actually you overcome that is basically to follow a system. Let the system trade the market, not you, but the the technique or the system that you're using, trade the market, limit the position that you enter, instead of trying to enter everything, every setup, just limit the numbers. According to, it's more of, I think it's quite subjective, but depending on the person, how many position you can hold at one time. For you is maximum is 2.
Yes.
Depending on the person. If somebody spend all the time in front of chat, maybe. But for us that have our lovely wife, right?
Yes.
One wife, right? We stick to one position.
Very sensitive there.
Yes, of course. And that basically wraps up today, because before we get into more trouble in today's episode, huge thanks to Ibrahim for joining us on XM Pipcast. If you enjoyed this chat, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and follow XM on YouTube and Spotify channel. Thanks for listening, and catch you next on XM Pipcast.